Hey, have you ever whispered your desires into the universe with affirmations and felt like there's a secret ingredient missing? Today, we're unraveling the magic behind those affirmations in the manifestation of magical words, words that you speak. Words that you speak aren't just letters, they're emotional dynamites. When used correctly, words don't just communicate, they conjure emotions and paint dazzling visions. Imagine if our words were like radio waves, and the universe, the biggest radio receiver ever, was picking up on each and every one of them. Are you tuned in? Or is there static in your broadcast? In other words, are you sending mixed signals to the universe? Because not all signals are rosy. Remember those cutting remarks that seem to replay in your mind forever that somebody said to you a long time ago? Why is it that some words feel like they're permanently etched into our souls with emotional superglue? The words we hold on to, especially from those we value, have a profound way of steering our life's journey, influencing our desires, hopes, and dreams. The words from those we cherish, whether sweet or sour, dive deep, reprogramming our brain and sculpting our manifestations. It's like those little comments sneak into our playlist and repeat, getting stuck on the same track. Now try this for me. It's an emotional relationship game so that you can understand what's happening in your life. Think about the word disaster for me. What feeling does that ignite? Not the happiest feeling, right? Now switch it up. How about love? Feel that heartwarming buzz? Or what about breathe? Gave you a moment of calm, didn't it? That's the resonance of words. They don't just convey a message, they carry an aura, a vibration. Try this quick visualization game with me. Which feels more potent? Abundance is coming into my life now? Or my purse is always jammed and crammed with money? Which one can you actually see and feel? Now, these are only short and most affirmations tend to be a paragraph, but this is an example. Although the words of the first one are positive, they're lacking in power. However, the second example, being jammed and crammed with money, is something that you can see, imagine, and smile about. With the first one, you're searching for a vision and an emotion. The second has all the elements built in. And if you have an imagination like mine, your purse gets bigger and the jamming and cramming gets harder so that you spill the notes as you walk, and it just doesn't matter. The power of words lies in the vision, and this is the story that the words conjure. Imagine if you were following somebody around with a video camera. What would you see? If I believe my purse is jammed and crammed, well, I can imagine a carpet bag much like Mary Poppins used, and it would be bulging with notes of all types. In fact, it would be so full that you could see them coming out the top, even after the bag is clasped with the ornate brass clip. It wouldn't be heavy, but it would have some weight, so that you can feel the abundance, and so I'd change shoulders with the strap quite often. You can see this if you have a video camera, right? In every one of you lies a word wizard, waiting to manifest dreams into reality. It's not about what you say, but about how you feel and imagine it. So next time you're looking to manifest, remember, you've got the magic of words within. So dive deep, dream big, and together let's spin some manifestation magic. And hey, if this resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love your comments. So keep those words radiant and your vibrations soaring high. Thanks for joining me. I'm Gayle Maree from 6 Dimensions of Healing.